Welcome to this financial abundance meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. Please do not listen to this recording whilst driving or operating machinery. I invite you to gently close the eyes. Each of us naturally want to grow financially, becoming abundant. So it is instinctive for you to strive to be financially independent and satisfied with your ability to make a great income. Humans love to strive to become successful. Personal success leads to happiness. All you need to do is accept abundance and allow it to come to you. Cultivate the feeling of abundance and see yourself as having already achieved abundance. See yourself celebrating your success. Let me guide you in relaxing your mind and body so you are able to accept the positive suggestions concerning finances I'm about to tell you. By fully relaxing and letting go of any tension, we are putting ourselves in a state or creation where we can attract anything that we desire. This state is where brilliant ideas and the greatest achievements arise. Also, the more relaxed you allow yourself to become, the stronger your dreams come into reality. When your dreams approach, all you have to do is accept them. I'm going to count down from 5 to 1. And with each number that I say, breathe in and breathe out slowly. And with each full breath, you will become more and more relaxed. 5. Take a nice full breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself getting just a little bit more comfortable. 4. Full breath in, and as you exhale, you feel your muscles relax and all the tension loosen. 3. Inhale smoothly and slowly. Exhale and feel yourself relaxing even more. You are becoming calmer. 2. Full breath in and exhale slowly. Now your whole body is feeling peaceful. No need to do anything. Just feel all the sensations in your body and observe. 1. last strong breath in. Hold it for a moment, and as you exhale, you will be completely relaxed and clear in the body and in the mind. Now hear yourself saying these positive suggestions, accepting any of them that feel good to you. Abundance flows to me. I deserve to be financially independent. I love creating wealth and success for myself. My destiny is to be wealthy. Money comes to me in expected and also unexpected ways. I am worthy of making more money. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. Money and spirituality can coexist in harmony. I release all negative energy and conceptions about money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I use my financial abundance to better my life and the lives of others. Wealth consistently flows into my life. My actions create constant prosperity. I am able to handle large sums of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease and grace. Life is full of financial abundance. I embody financial abundance. Money flows effortlessly into my life. I am open and willing to allow financial abundance to come into my life. Financial abundance flows to me from multiple sources. May I be blessed with financial abundance. Financial abundance is here, and I tune myself to it. Financial abundance is my birthright. I love money, and money loves me. I am grateful for the money I receive. I am grateful for money, and money is grateful to be in my hands because I use it to better the world around me. I am a money magnet. Now you are going to slowly come back to a wakeful awareness and bring back with you all that you learned here. I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and with each number I say, you will become more awake, refreshed, and ready to start a new life with a new mindset of being already financially abundant. 1, you're slowly becoming aware of your present surroundings. 2, your mind is becoming more alert. 3, you're bringing with you all the positive suggestions you learned. 4, you feel even more awake and alert. 5, as you open your eyes, you feel extremely refreshed and ready to take action and let abundance flow to you.